Hey friends, if you encounter Windows upgrade error codes 0XC190010d and 0XC190010a, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, and then go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next solution is to reset the Windows Update components. We have a script for you. All you need to do is copy that script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes and paste the script here and hit Enter. Now I'll tell you what this script does while it does its job. It will stop all the Windows Update related services, then it will delete the Windows Update profile, then it will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders, then it will re-register all the DLL files, and finally it will reset WinSock and then restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.